Yes.
If you'd like to play in English, say English.
Si quieres jugar en español, di español.
English.
Think of a place in space. Answer each question about your place with yes or no. When you are ready, say yes.
Yes.
Places can be real or fictitious. Is this a real place?
Yes.
Is it a moon?
No.
Is it something that was built?
No.
Is it a single star?
No.
Is it a feature of a planet?
No.
Is it a specific named place, rather than a type of place?
Yes.
Is it larger than the sun?
No.
Can you see it without a telescope?
Yes.
Could you walk around there in a spacesuit?
No.
Is it mostly red, orange, or brown?
No.
I believe you are thinking of Uranus. Is that right?
No.
Oh, poop. I hate to lose. Would you like to play again?
He's thinking of Neptune.